And today I am gutted. The reason that I am gutted is because, well, you may recognise this lift, but yeah, it's been modded. No! Let's open the door. Here it is. Yeah, here we go. So this is the inside of the lift. It's still got some of the original signs, but look, this panel is completely new. So look, unlike before the modernisation, you can press a button before the lift goes. And now when my dad closes the door, now the lift sounds a bit different actually. As you can hear, it's a bit higher pitched and it goes a little bit faster than it originally did. But yeah, overall, it's just been modded. There's the screen. I don't know why they put that white thing in, but yeah, I can't complain. The levelling has been altered slightly. The motor may have been completely replaced. I don't know, to be honest. Oh, shoot. We'll go back up again. Here we go. Now unfortunately the stop button on it has been removed, so you can no longer stop it. If they hadn't removed it, I reckon it would have gone under the alarm button or something. And yeah, they've just modded it. It doesn't have as much characters anymore. The only thing, one of the best things about it still is the motor. There you go. I want to get a video of the door lock working, so we'll send it to floor 3. There you go. Look, it just locked. And now we're going to go. Here it is.
Third floor, lift going down.
There is the lock. There you go. And it moved, and now we'll go back up to 4. Don't know if you saw that, but the door lock went. And here we go. Back up at floor 4.
Fourth floor, lift going down.
Well, don't open it yet. There you go, they've unlocked. Right, and now first, we will send it to floor 0 so we can hear the motor from out here. There's the motor room. We may get a motor room of the lift after it's been modded. And it's going. The reason the call button is on is because the lift cannot be called yet. The call button will go white only when it's available. I'm not sure if you could hear that, but what I was explaining was that the call button only goes white and callable once the lift has stopped moving and the gate is open. There you go. Well, the gate's not open, it's just the gate has unlocked. But anyway, that has been Captain Moo Moo showing you the modded, I'm just gutted that it's been modernised. The modded Vernon lift. So that's been, oh, I got that speech a bit wrong. Let's restart. So anyway, that has been Captain Moo Moo recording the sadly modded Vernon lift. So, bye. Wait, before I go, there's something I need to show you. So before the cut, I said there would be a surprise. Now, it turns out that I literally got my hands on some of the lift parts from the lift before its modernisation. Firstly, you have got a transformer. Look it up if you don't know what an electrical transformer is. Then you've got a siren thingy. So it has some electrical ports around the back that allow you to make it spin or light up. Next up, you've got an emergency stop button. This looks quite modern, but most likely be at the pit of the lift. Then you've got this. If you look on the side, it says it's a thermal overload relay, and if it gets too hot, then it'll cut off, and then this will be the reset button, this red thing, and then that will be the temperature thing that sets what temperature it should go off at. And then you have got a massive circuit board. Now, I think I know what this is from. When you was pressing those buttons to, well, in my video of where I went in the motor room, he was pressing some test buttons that turned on some red lights, and I think this is related to it. So you've got the 4 LEDs at the top, then you've got a dial down there, and just overall a load of electrics and a big chunky wire there. Next up, we have not one bell, but 2 bells for some reason. I'm not sure what one of them would have been for, because you don't need one. Now, second to last, this might shock you, but this is the top of the overspeed governor, which as I said in the video, it detected how fast the lift was going, and if it went too fast, let me just get it in position. So there's a position that lets it go in. There it is. And then this will fold in, and that would have stopped the lift with some electrical relay stuff. Look, there you go. And it contacts some copper things. Now, last of all is the car top control unit from the original lift. Yeah. So you've got the up button, the run button, the down button, the normal mode or test mode switch, the door open or door close thing, emergency stop button, a telephone port for some reason, and if you pull this back up, it'll go back green. Red, green, red here. You get the point. And yeah, that's what I got from the original lift. All of these parts. So anyway, that has been Captain Moo showing you the new modernised Vernon mill lift and some of the parts from it, which by coincidence are in his back garden. Oh, for goodness sake. Yep, so bye. Oh, I don't have a button to point at, do I? Oh, I suppose I'll just do it like this. It is a bonus cat.